Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Manuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. And today we're going to look at a screen recorder called Vmaker screen recorder. And without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, as you can see, I'm already in my Google search page here. So I'm going to just search for Vmaker screen recorder. There you go. This is the website for Vmaker screen recorder. I'm just gonna click here. There you go. This is the website for Vmaker screen recorder. So before getting into the screen recording thing, I'm just gonna check on the products they have to offer. There's quite a bit of products here. There's a screen recorder, webcam recorder, video maker, video editor, and a lot of stuff like that. So I think this is a pretty good company. So alright, so I'm just going to talk about pricing here by clicking on the pricing tab here. So there you go. There is a light version, there is a starter version, and there is a team version of Vmaker screen recorder that you can have. The light version is for $0 a month, which is basically free, and then there is a starter pack which is $7 a month or $84 billed yearly. This is for primarily YouTubers, gamers, educators, and professionals who use it for a longer time. There you go. And there is a team version which is $10 a month, $120 billed yearly. This is for basically sales, engineering, marketing, stuff like that. All right. So having said that, the light version has unlimited free recordings. It's free for lifetime, and screen webcam recording is also possible. What is the difference between the light version and the starter version is that you get 4K recording for the starter version, and you get collaborations for the team version. So that is the only difference between light, starter, and team versions here. All right, so I'm just gonna go back to the home here. I'm just gonna click on start recording here. So right away it asks me to actually get started with my Google account. So I'm just gonna click on my Google account here, and I'm gonna choose one of my accounts here. There you go. So here, as you can see, I have logged in into Vmaker screen recorder. It says that I can actually record up to 7 minutes for free version, and then I can actually upgrade it to unlimited duration. But as you can see, there was a promise that the trial version, the basic version, all these versions had unlimited recordings. But here, when I come to this page, it says that I have to continue with 7-minute recording limit. So that's a bummer, guys. So I'm just gonna click on continue with 7-minute recording limit. I'm gonna close this right away. All right, so here the first step is done, signing up. The second step is I have to download Vmaker screen recorder. I'm gonna click here to confirm that I have installed the Vmaker desktop application. Okay, so there is two versions. You can actually download it as a Google Chrome extension, or you can actually download the desktop application. Here I'm gonna download the Vmaker desktop application. I'm just gonna I'm not able to download it here, so I think I have to download it here. So okay, the Vmaker is available for Mac, and it is there as a Chrome plugin. So I'm just going to click on add to Chrome here, and I'm just going to click on add to Chrome, add extension. There you go. My extension has been installed on my Google Chrome. So I just click on got it, and I'm just going to record my first Vmaker video here. I'm just gonna record my screen webcam by clicking here. I'm gonna allow using my camera and microphone. There you go. On the top right corner, I have this window which shows me that either I have to select the screen or the webcam, or the screen plus webcam option here, and I can actually start recording right away. But before that, I should actually select these options for my camera, microphone. But my personal favorite is Pepper Cloud, you guys, because Pepper Cloud offers best screen recording options, and it's an online screen recorder, and it's really fantastic, guys. As you can see that we can actually record the screen at the same time stream. So this is best for gamers, you know, YouTubers, all those people. And also it lets you to record your screen or camera using Pepper Cloud storage. You can actually upload your videos to any social media directly, or you can actually start streaming. So I guess Pepper Cloud is one of the best, guys. I'd suggest that you try Pepper Cloud too. I have included the link in the description. Please check it out, guys. Alright, I'm back in this window, and I can actually record the screen or webcam or both. So I'm just gonna click on both. It's already enabled. So I'm just gonna choose either I want to record the full screen or the current tab. I'm just gonna click on full screen here, and I'm gonna choose my camera, which is HDD camera that I already use. And for the microphone, I'm just gonna use the microphone that I'm using right now. All right, there you go. And if I want to enable computer audio, I can do that, but that is only on the premium version, I guess. So the recording quality here is set to 720p, because 4K 1440 and 1080 is for the premium version. So I'm just gonna click on start recording here and select the entire screen and click on share. I can actually choose backgrounds, so I can just choose this background, but all these backgrounds are for the pro version. So I'm just gonna click on done here. So I'm just gonna choose my webcam. My webcam is already loaded, as you can see. There you go. Once I have recorded the video, it just shows up. And to start recording the video, I'm just gonna enable my camera here. There you go. This is my camera, and once I've started enabled my camera here, I'm just gonna click on record button here, and I think the recording has already started. Now I'm gonna just click on pause here, and then I'm just gonna, if I want to annotate, I can just actually use this option, but as you can see, you can only draw using the pro version. That is a bummer, guys. And also my webcam is not recording. As you can see here, we've got quite a bit of problem here of recording my webcam. Actually, maybe I could just delete this recording, and I could actually start recording the screen only. Select entire screen and click on share. I think this probably would work out. Gonna start recording, and still nothing happened, guys. So I think there is a problem with this screen recorder, or it does not have the option to actually record screen if another screen recorder is working already. When another screen recorder is already in place, I think Vmaker screen recorder does not work out. So that is a bummer, guys. I have seen a lot of screen recorders working in line with other screen recorders, but I'm not sure Vmaker has the ability to actually record the screen when another screen recorder is in place. Alright, guys, with this I'd like to end my video. I think I've given you a brief overview of Vmaker screen recorder. Alright, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'd be looking forward to your comments. If you want me to review another screen recorder, I'll do that for you. Please post it in the comments, and I'd be happy to do so. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.